spot archerfish has a remarkable talent. He can shoot a jet of water into the air at precisely the right force and direction to hit his target, giving him access to food in the surrounding trees that other species in this stream can only dream of. The archerfish doesn't have any additional body parts to achieve this technique, just some extra special adaptations. His mouth is modified like a water pistol. By taking in water and quickly closing his gills, he creates a pressurized liquid bullet with 5 times more striking power than any vertebrate muscle can produce. However, his eyes do not correct for the light refraction of the water. This is something he has to calculate and calibrate on his own. All this talent still doesn't guarantee a meal. Other fish are all too eager to capitalize on his shooting skills.